Come get me.
Rose, stay out of the picture.
Hi.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby man.
What?
Hi. Go over there. Go over there so he follows you. Go get her, John. Don't. Go over there. John, go. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Yeah, and here he comes. Violet, stop. What are you doing, Sarah? You want him to crawl? Then crawl away from him and he'll crawl to you. Sarah, get off of him.
He's backing up. Cool. Yeah, cool. Sounds like in a tunnel. Cool.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Uh-oh. Cool.
Hi.
Cheese.
Cheese. What can you say for me? Stop, stop, stop. Okay, I'll let you see in a minute. What can you say for me? Say Granny.
Granny.
Say Papa.
Papa.
Say Daddy.
Daddy.
Say Sissy.
Sissy.
Say Rosie.
Whoa.
Say John.
John.
Say Crawl. No, come back and tell me Crawl. Come here. No. Can you say Binky? Say Binky.
Binky.
Say Cinderella.
La la la.
Say Wiggles. No. Say Josh Groban.
Go gaga. Go gaga.
All right. Say I love you.
Hello.
Good girl. That's the first time you said it. You're not on there anymore. Want to watch Sissy? Back up. All right. There's Sissy.
Sissy.
What do you want her to say? Should we have her sing? Tell her.
No.
Tell her to sing.
Oh, Sissy.
Yes, Sissy. What should she sing?
Lay. Lay.
My. You want her to sing my?
Lay.
Anything else you want to sing? Ooh, Sarah.
No, this is my dance.
Leave my coffee alone. What song are you dancing to? think she's dancing to My? What song are you dancing to, Violet?
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not going to music.
Oh. You making clicking? All right, everybody, say, oh, Violet, take a curtsy for me. Good job. Sarah, say bye-bye.
Bye.
John, you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where's Rosie? Rosie. Yes, good girl. Okay.